G'day guys, we are at Darling Harbour right now, standing on the Pyrmont Bridge. It is gorgeous out here. You have got the great views, the water and the boats. Thousands of tourists come here every single day to see the sights and grab a bit of food. But I am going to let you in on a secret. Most people walking past me right now are completely missing one of the best spots in the whole precinct. It is hidden in plain sight. It is completely free. And while the crowds are fighting for space down there, this place is almost empty. I am going to show you exactly how to find it. So follow me. It is funny, isn't it? You have got people coming from all over the world to see the harbour, and they all follow the same path. They stick to the waterfront, they hit the big landmarks, and they miss the real gems that are tucked away just a few metres from the track. This is one of Sydney's best kept secrets, and it is just up here. Most travellers and Sydney-siders would walk this way to Darling Harbour, but they have no idea what they are passing. It is just over there. Can you see it yet? It is almost hidden, a hidden park. Most people would walk right past this gap and never know it exists. You can see the people coming and going to the left, but we are going right. You can go through the main entrances in Sussex Street, or you can go from Cockle Bay, but I find this is the easiest. It is tucked away just enough to keep it a secret. While everyone else is navigating the big lobbies or the busy waterfront, we are taking the back way in. It feels like a private entrance to a place that most people do not even realise is open to the public. Do me a favour, guys. Can you hit that like button, trigger that YouTube algorithm? It really helps the channel grow and lets the system know you want to see more of these hidden spots. It only takes a second, but it makes a massive difference to what we do here. Cheers for the support. Here we are, the Crescent Garden. Most people would walk past those glass towers and never guess this 3,000 square metre sanctuary is sitting right behind them. As soon as you step inside, you can feel the temperature drop and the city noise just stops. It is designed in the shape of a giant waratah flower if you were looking at it from above. They have got over 1,000 different plants in here from all over the world. It is the kind of place that makes you completely forget you are standing in the middle of a concrete jungle. Hard to believe this place is right behind those massive towers, isn't it? I'm curious how many of you have walked past Darling Park and had no idea the Crescent Garden was even there. Drop a comment if you've got another hidden Sydney spot you think I should track down next. I will go down here to Sussex Street if you are coming up this way. It has a great cafe restaurant down here. Inside also has some amazing food stores with a very wide variety and price ranges. It is the kind of place where you can grab a quick bite or sit down for a proper meal, and honestly, after a walk through the garden, it is the perfect spot to refuel. You have got everything from high-end dining to simple takeaway, so there is something for every budget. It is just another one of those things that makes this corner of the city so easy to spend time in. Thank you guys. If you have made it this far, think about subscribing. It really helps the channel out and keeps these walks going. I will see you in the next one. See ya. Here is a map